Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error handle EOF error code 38 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error message with error code 38, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is open File Explorer by pressing Win plus E shortcut key, or directly open File Explorer. Here go to your problematic drive, right click on it and choose Properties. And here from the top menu bar, go to Tools and under error checking, click on check. This option will check the drive for the system errors and you will receive a message. Either you can scan, your problem is not resolved, then a scan drive. Click on scan drive and follow on screen instruction to complete the process. The next workaround to fix this issue is right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to system settings, and from the right side scroll down and look for the option troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot. Here click on other troubleshooters and here run Windows update troubleshooters. Click on run. A new page will open and follow on a screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process. It will not only detect the issues but resolve them accordingly. So you must run Windows update troubleshooters. The next workaround to fix this error code is go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. Click on run as administrator. Command prompt Windows will now open as administrator mode and here execute the command as shown on a screen. First execute these three DISM tool one by one, followed by enter key on each time. DISM online scan health, DISM online check health, and DISM online restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt Windows, and after that execute the command sfc scan now, sfc slash scan now, and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete. It will take few minutes. After that, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, right click on the start button and choose run. In dialog box, type RSTRUI and click on OK. This command will open System Restore Windows. Restore system files and settings. System Restore can help fix problems that might be making your computer run slowly or stop responding. So you have recommended restore also here, but if you want to choose a different restore point, click on choose a different restore point and click on next. Here you will find a different restore point. Select it. Restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event. Click on next. And finally, confirm your restoration point. Your computer will be back to your previous action. Description here, and click on finish and follow on a screen instruction to complete the restoration process. That's